2025 is coming to an end now, guys, and I'm telling you, this year has been a very challenging year, and I'm sure it's been a very challenging year for a lot of people out there, and my heart goes out to each and every one of you guys. For me personally, this year has been filled with many ups and downs. It takes me through many corners, twists and turns. And I'm telling you right now that I am giving you guys an update. So to all of my loyal supporters, them, I wait until after the Christmas season to really come and sit down and talk to you guys, because I didn't want to spoil nobody Christmas. Yeah, I want everybody to have a Merry Christmas. But I'm telling you guys that what I'm about to tell you guys, knock the breath out of me, lick me for 6. Now guys, at the end of November, I had a meeting with my son. For those of you who do not know me, hi, I am Nadia, and I'm in France fighting a nasty custody battle for my son, right? Now in November, the end of November, I had one of my supervised visitation with my son, and I'm telling you, when my son arrived to this meeting, he arrived with a lot of anger and a lot of attitude. Yeah, attitude stink like bacon. And I didn't know what's wrong. So I keep asking him, like, what happened? Like, what's wrong? Like, why all this attitude? Like, yeah, every question I ask him, he's very snappy, very attitudey. Finally, talking and conversation and all the attitude. You know, you get the sense that he don't want to be here. Like, yeah, he not really want to be present here in this meeting right now, in this visitation. So I look at him and I said to him, do you want to stop the visit? Like, what's going on? Yeah, because it's clear from his attitude, he don't want to be here at this time. So I said, do you want to stop the meeting? Like, what's going on? And my son looked at me and gave me one of the most heartbreaking response that I've received in a long time. My son looked me straight in my eyes and said, listen, I want to stop these visits, but I want to stop these visits after the criminal case is finished. People that knock the wind out of me. Me say, you want to stop all the visits? He said, yes, he wants to stop all the visit, completely, cold turkey, no more visit, but he wants to wait until after the criminal case finished, then we stop all the visit. I'm dumbfounded. I'm shocked, I'm speechless, but at the same time, I have to get to the bottom of this. So I asked him, why do you want to wait until after the criminal case finished to stop the visit? Like, if you're uncomfortable with the visits, we can stop it. No, we don't have to wait until all that is finished. People, I wasn't prepared for his response. Like, this little guy looked me straight in my eyes and said to me, listen, I don't want to stop these visits with you right now, because I'm afraid that if I stop this visit with you right now, that you will flee the country and you will not face your punishment. And I want you to face your punishment before leaving the country. People, me speechless. Like, I'm sitting there, tears dripping down my face, and I'm just dumbfounded. Like, what do you say to something like that as a parent? Like, what is to say? And remember, this is supervised visitation, so social service is present and is listening to everything that is transpiring right now. And I am sitting there, tears dripping down my face, dumbfounded, shocked, breath, wind, everything just knock out of my heart, my soul, my body, like this rock my world. And I don't know what to say to something like that. There's nothing that you can say to something like this, like dumbfounded, like. But anyway, for those of you who have been watching my videos and following my story, you will remember that a couple months back, I went to one of these supervised visitation with my son. And my son arrived to this visitation happy, excited, smiling. And when I asked him, like, why are you so happy? Like, why are you so excited? What's going on? My son informed me that he had a meeting with his lawyer. Yes, guys, even though he's a minor child, my son has his own lawyer that is representing him in all the lawsuits them. So, apparently, my son met with his lawyer, and his lawyer informed him that he's supposed to get some money from the lawsuit, because my son's lawyer filed into the courthouse saying that during the altercation between me and the grandmother, my son hurt his hand, so I supposed to pay $800 and something in damages to my son for this. So my son lawyer informed him of that, and my son is over the moon with joy, excitement for this $800 and something money what he's supposed to get. And my son is telling me all these wonderful things that he's going to buy with this money. Like, yeah, excitement can't done. And I'm sitting there now, like, wow. Like, all of this makes sense. In my mind, I am thinking that the visits are going well. Maybe there's a chance for us to have a relationship outside of supervised visitation. Things are gonna get better. Thinking positive thoughts, feeling positive energy. You know, because remember, I put my whole entire life on hold. I'm in my 40s, putting my whole life on hold, trying to mend this relationship, trying to make this better, thinking positively that things is going to get better. And now, being hit with the realization like, dang, the only reason why he is continuing this visitation is so that he can trap me here, so that I will have to face the criminal charges, so that I can have my punishment, and so that he can get his money from the lawsuit. And this is the only reason why he's keeping me here and why he's continuing these visits. So guys, you don't understand like why I'm dumbfounded. And not only that, to know that this altercation happened because I am just a mother who wants to spend some time with my son, and to know that all these criminal charges stem from me just wanting to spend some alone time with him, wanting to be with him, want to have a relationship with him in the first place, and now to see that he's saying these things. Like, guys, I don't know how to explain this no more. Like, yeah, I tell you, I say, after that meeting, I come home and I shut down. Like, I literally shut down. I just pull the cover over my head and lie down and just shut down. Shut down. Not even gym me no go. Like, nowhere me no go. I just shut down. Like, what do you say to something like this? Like, what do you do to something? Like, how do you even react to something like this? It's just like my heart is in million and one pieces right now. You understand me? And I don't know what to do. Like, yeah, I don't know what to do because he's my only child and me not gonna have no more pitney. So if me walk away from this situation totally, like, yeah, that's it. Like, that's it. But like what I always tell you guys, me make sure try my best. Me make sure put in my best effort, because I want to make sure say no matter what happened at the end of the day, I have no regrets, because I know that I've explored all my options. I want to make sure that whatever happened, my heart is at peace, my mind is at peace, and I am at peace with the situation. You understand me? I try to say, and I love my son dearly. But at the end of the day, like what them say, you can't force water uphill without pump. You have to have a pump. Yeah? You can lead the horse to the water, but you can't force him to drink. If he doesn't want a relationship, why am I forcing it? If he see me as the villain, might as well just let it. Make him continue to believe like, I don't know if it's at this point, like it is what it is. Guys, let me know how you feel about this in the comment section. But at the end of the day, be mindful of what you guys are typing, because this is a sensitive topic and I'm a real human being with real feelings. I know I'm a company internet to talk my business. But if I don't have nothing good to say, you better just don't say nothing at all. Because I'm not afraid for block and delete. Yeah. So it is what it is, people. But feel free if you say whatever you want in the comment section, but do so respectfully. Big up on yourself out there, people. Peace, I'm out. Bye.